playboy, 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 playboy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to apologize for my 2-week absence from YouTube. I recently just had my beautiful baby girl Zara. I am officially a mother of 2 beautiful children, and my first child, his name is Carter. They both give me a reason to never stop, and I'm so thankful. But enough rambling, let's get into this beautiful blue dramatic half-cut crease with a bit of glitter action eyeshadow look. So my technique for getting the eyeshadow to pop is very simple. I use concealer, as you've seen me do in the beginning of this video. I use the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I don't set that with anything because I want the eyeshadow to stick. I blend that out with a brush, with a clean brush, and then when I apply each of my eyeshadows, I like to do what you call the press and blend. So I'm gonna press the eyeshadow onto my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it out as I go. That's basically what I do. You also want to make sure the concealer you use for your eyeshadow as a base is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Before you guys say anything, I'm no expert at this according to a piece of paper. But what I do find it is makeup in general is more harder for my melanated sisters. I mean, damn, finding a shade in the olden days, I was better off hanging myself with a necktie. Because a bitch was funeral ready. Sis looked like a dying cat. My face was ashy as fuck. So I just wanted to say there's always going to be someone out there better than you at something. So don't let that stop you from doing anything. And so far as makeup, take what you think may help you from the tutorials. It may not always work for you. Your skin may be different from the person filming. So I've watched videos. I use different things here and there. I have my own techniques. So, with that being said, I mean, it's all a learning process and seeing what works for you and getting help with some things along the way.